Hi guys,
Where are we going?
we're going to Okada tonight, and we just left from this staycation,
Okay.
and this is just like 3 minutes or 5 minutes away from Gentry Manor to Okada, and Okada is right there if you see it
Yes.
like that.
Oh. Sasabi ko to kay tita.
Okay lang.
Saan mo, baby? Mom.
Sa Facebook mo yan, o sa post
Sa YouTube.
Lagyan mo na yung mga
Content creator. In fairness dito, susayo mo.
Yung labi mabangaw, yun ang nagustuhan ko dito eh. Sa labi, ang bango.
Kasi may distinct.
Linding ako. Lulukot lang!
Kapalik kami nito, bebe, kasama ko si Malakpak.
Oo nga. Mga 2 days. Hi guys! Wow! We're going to Okada!
Let's see later. I've never been to Okada before. This is going to be our first time.
Let's go.
This is my first time visiting Okada. So,
Wala, matang dibdib ko dito.
let's try to
Oh my God, huwag mo i-focus.
See?
Nakita ang dibdib ko. Gawa ng hangin. Huwag mo i-focus. Huwag mo i-focus.
Sa YouTube na yun.
Ba't nahangin nga? Nakita ang dibdib ko. Oh my God.
Hindi! Winawater lang niya yung plant.
Watering.
Yes. Guys, kailangan prim and proper dito
Demure
sa Okada.
dapat.
Walang canal behavior. Look guys, there's a beautiful fountain outside.
Just na quiet lang ha.
So this is how it looks like. If you're commute, you have to be careful in entering the pathway because it's this is a roadway. See guys, there are taxis outside waiting.
Pagod na ako guys. Sila akong pagod.
Oh my god guys. Ito Gia, no?
Pagod na ako.
Take over vlog to my kuya.
Okay. Gian told me that I will take over the vlog. So let's see what's going to be inside. So we have to pass through the security check here. So I will need to put this on the train. Thank you. Okay guys, we're here inside. Wow. Picture. So there's 7-Eleven.
Okada, I'm gonna tour you.
Okay, sige.
Go. Here at Okada Casino and I'm gonna tour you.
We're going to tour you
Yes.
here in Okada.
It is
This is
just
one of the largest
casino
oo.
and mall. It's a mall. Let's go guys.
I think it's everything is here.
Yes, restaurants, mall, casino, and lots of entertainment. Dito ate, picture ka. Oh, this is my ate. Go girl. Bagay sa damit mo. And we're gonna tour you around.
Ito tayo.
Yung green? You want to go here in casino?
Sa sea.
Or restaurant?
It's a buffet. Buffet restaurant siya.
Medley buffet. Magkano here? Ano oras lang? Aga pa naman. Nakalock, hindi ba? Nakalock. Hindi. Parang nakalock sa loob. Ay, nakalock na. Ang mahal dyan. Yan yung Casitas Entertainment. Tama, pasok tayo. May isa pa. Sa Golden Ballroom ata yun. Tapos doon din sa loob.
So, Victoria's Secret.
Yes. Ang ganda o ate. Ang elegant niya lang tingnan.
Itatap ko lang.
Doon naman tayo. Ate, picture ang kita doon, no? Ganda. Oo. Ganda. Kasi entertainment doon din. Doon nag-aano na.
Smile daw ako.
Love with all your heart. Oh.
Guys, makinig kayo.
Love
You
with
and your
all-
partner will be happy in life together.
Ako na yan.
Akin naman, make someone smile today and feel your heart smile too. Kailangan daw mag-smile ako kanino.
Oo nga. Huwag ka kasi kapag magpipicture. Guys, para kay Angelica San Pedro. Make someone, hindi, ikaw yung gagawa ng paraan.
Binago mo pala eh.
Binago mo ng make someone smile today and feel your heart smile too.
Kanino ko
Kita